Namaste Vidya. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is DES and what is AES. In the last video, we discussed about the we will we discuss about the DES, but in this video we discuss AES. So what is AES? AES means Advanced Encryption Standard. The more popular and the widely adopted symmetric encryption algorithm like to be encountered nowadays. So it is the Advanced Encryption Standard. It is found at least 6 times faster than triple DES. Okay, now a replacement of DES was needed as its key size was too small. With increasing computer power, it was considered vulnerable against executive key search attack. Means it protect our value from other resources which was attacked in our coding. So triple DES was designed to overcome this drawback, but it was found slow. The features of AES are as follows. First, symmetric key, that is symmetric block cipher. Second is 128-bit data, that is 128 slash 192 slash 256 bit key. And the third one is the stronger and the faster than triple DES. And the fourth one is provide full specification and design detail. And the fifth one is software implementation in C and the Java. Now we discuss about the operation of AES. So what is the operation of AES? AES is an iterative rather than fiscal cipher. Clear? Now it is based on the substitution permutation network. It comprises of a series of linked operation, some of which involve replacing inputs by specific output and other involves shuffling bits around permutation. Suppose अभी हमने जो राउंड वन है, राउंड वन का जो हमारा एक प्लेन टेक्स्ट है 128 बिट का, देन इसके बाद हमने उसको प्री राउंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया, देन राउंड वन, राउंड टू, राउंड थ्री, एंड इस तरीके से हमारा राउंड कब तक चलता रहेगा, जब तक कि हमारा nth राउंड नहीं हो जाए जो भी हमको चाहिए. अब जो हमारा की एक्सपेंशन था, हर एक राउंड के लिए अपना एक इंडिविजुअल की एक्सपेंशन है. सपोज एक प्री राउंड था, प्री राउंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था, उसके लिए की एक्सपेंशन हो गया आपका के नॉट. राउंड वन के लिए की एक्सपेंशन हो गया के वन, राउंड टू के लिए हो गया के टू, एंड सो ऑन. इस तरीके से राउंड nth के लिए भी क्या हो जाएगा, के आर. लाइक ठीक है. तो ये जो K0, K1, K2, K3 जो हमने की एक्सपेंशन लिए, ये हमारे जो राउंड कीज जो है वो हमारी कितना है 128 बिट्स की हैं. और जो हमारा की एक्सपेंशन जो हम बात कर रहे थे, जिसपे हमारा साइफर की जो यूज होगा वो हमारा कितना हो सकता है 128 बिट का हो सकता है, 192 बिट्स का हो सकता है, 256 बिट का भी हो सकता है. क्लियर? अब आर हमारे जो राउंड होंगे वो हो सकता है 10, 12, 14, और की साइज क्या हो सकता है हमारा 128, 192 एंड 256. मींस राउंड अगर 10 है तो हमारा जो की साइज होगा वो हो जाएगा 128. अगर हमारे राउंड 12 है तो वो हो जाएगा 192, एंड द राउंड अगर हमारे 14 है देन वो हमारा 256. क्लियर? सो अब बात करें इंटरेस्टिंगली, AES परफॉर्म ऑल इट्स कंप्यूटेशन ऑन बिट्स rather than bytes rather than bits. Okay, now hence AES treat the 128 bits of the plain text block as 16 bytes. So these 16 bytes are arranged in 4 columns and 4 rows for processing as a matrix. Unlike DES, the number of round in AES is a variable and depend on the length of the key. So AES uses 10 round and 128 bit key, 12 round for 192 bit keys, and 14 round for 256 bit key. Each of these round uses a different 128 bit round key which is calculated from the original AES. The systematic of AES structure is given in the following method. Maybe जो हम लोग अभी डिस्कस किए थे कि 128 बिट प्लेन टेक्स्ट होगा जिसमें हमारे nth राउंड हो सकते हैं. की एक्सपेंशन जो होगा वो हमारा के नॉट टू जो भी जितने भी हमारे राउंड होते हैं उतना, लेकिन राउंड की जो होगा वो 128 बिट होगा व्हेन जब राउंड हमारे 10 है. when round is 192, then when round is 12, then key size will be 192, and the round is 14, then the key size will be 256. So that is the relationship between the number of round and the cipher key size. Clear? Now we discuss the encryption process. So what is encryption process and where we use? So here we restrict to description of a typical round of AES encryption. So each round comprise of four sub-processes. The first round cipher process is depicted like suppose you have a plain text and you add one round key which is 128 bits, that is your cipher key. Clear? Now in the round one we have sub byte, we have shift row, we have mix column, and we have add round key again. Clear? Means if you have a plain text, then you want to change your plain text into a cipher text with the use of cipher key, then you have add any add round key, that is 128 bit, which is known as a key k0, k1, k2, k3, and so many more, many. In the round first, what is necessary for round first? We have a necessary sub bytes, shift row, and the mix column. Clear? Again we use second round, that is add round key, round 2. It is also a 128 bit because we use 10 round, so that is k0. Again round in the second round we use sub byte, shift row, and the mix column. Again we use add round key, which is round 2. So in this process we use many round and many sub bytes, shift row, and the mix column. Now we discuss the byte substitution. What is byte substitution? And it is also known as a sub bytes, which is used in the round one. So the 16 input bytes are substituted by looking up a fixed table that is known as a X box. Okay, which was discussed in the design. So the result is in the matrix of 4 row and the 4 column is 16. In the 4 row and the 4 is to 4 is 16. And what is shift row? Shift row means each of the 4 row of the matrix is shifted to the left. Any entries that fall off are reinserted on the right side or row. So shift is carried out as a follows. First one, first row is not shifted. Second row is shifted 1 byte position to the left. Third row is shifted 2 position to the left. Fourth row is shifted uh, third position to the left. And the last, the result is a new matrix consisting the same 16 bytes, but shifted with respect to each other. Clear? Now, what is mix column, which we used in the round? So each column of 4 bit is now transferred using a special mathematical function. So this mathematical function takes an input, the 4 bytes of one column and output for completely new bytes. So which was replaced the original column. The result is another new matrix consisting of 16 new bytes. It should not be noted, but that is a step is not performed in the last round. Now we turn for the second round, that is called a add round key. So what is the add round key function used? The 16 bit of the matrix are now considered as 128 bits and are XORed to the 128 bits of the round key. If this is the last round, then the output is the cipher text. Otherwise, the resulting 128 bits are interpreted as 16 bytes and we begin another similar round. Now, what is the description process? Because we also use description. So the process of description of an AES cipher text is similar to the encryption process. In the reverse order, each round consists of the 4 processes which is conducted in the reverse order. First add round key, second mix row, third shift row, and the fourth is the byte substitution. So since sub process in each round are in the reverse manner, unlike for a Fistel cipher, the encryption and the decryption algorithm need to be separately implemented, although they are very closely related. So these all about the AES. Now the last and but not the least, we discuss the AES analysis also. So in the present day cryptography, AES is widely adopted and supported in both hardware and software. So till date, no practical cryptanalytic attacks against AES has been discovered. So additionally, AES has built-in flexibility of key length, which allow a degree of future proofing against process progress in the ability to perform exhaustive key searches. So, however, just as for DES, the AES security is assured only if it is correctly implemented and good key management is employed. So that's all about the AES. In the next video, we will discuss about the algorithm of AES and the DES. So if you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.